Listen and practice.
Hi Rashid. How are you?
Hi Tony. I'm good. Thanks. What about you?
I'm good too. I've been thinking about improving my diet and starting to eat healthier. Do you have any tips or good recipes?
Definitely. Healthy eating is very important. The first thing you should focus on is eating a variety of fruits and vegetables.
That's true, I love fruits. But sometimes I get bored with the same vegetables. Do you have any new recipes?
Of course. How about trying a quinoa salad with vegetables? It's delicious and easy to prepare.
Sounds good. What are the ingredients?
You'll need cooked quinoa, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, red and yellow bell peppers, avocado, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt and pepper.
That sounds great. How do I make it?
First, cook the quinoa according to the instructions on the package. Then, chop all the vegetables into small pieces. Mix the cooked quinoa with the vegetables in a large bowl. Then add olive oil and lemon juice. And season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir all the ingredients well and serve.
Simple and delicious. I'll try it today. Do you have another recipe?
Yes. How about trying oatmeal with dried fruits and nuts for breakfast?
Excellent idea. How do I make it?
Very easy. Cook the oatmeal in water or milk according to your preference. Once it's cooked, add a spoonful of honey. Then add dried fruits like cranberries and raisins, and some nuts like walnuts or almonds. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor.
That sounds tasty and nutritious. I'll start trying these recipes. Thank you, Rashid.
You're welcome, Tony. If you need more recipes or tips, feel free to ask.
Definitely, I will. Thanks again, and talk to you soon.
Goodbye.